to Pretty Girl Stock. My name is Jasmine Bellamy.
And today I'm going to be talking about NIO. NIO stock is on fire right now, and I'm so excited to cover this stock today. So I want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. Thank you for everyone who is watching in other countries outside of the United States. I'm so excited to be presenting to you guys. And the reason I'm so passionate about the stock market is because that it really can change lives. It can really help you financially if you know when to enter, when to exit, how long to hold on to these stocks, and if you can really knowledge yourself on the stock and the market and try not to over leverage. So let's just hop right into the news on NIO. So currently Tesla is the #1 EV seller in China, but NIO is making some grounds right now. Year to date, NIO has made over 1,500% in gains as a stock, and that is very exciting for us. If you had had your money in there last year, you would have multiplied your money by 1,500%. And that is so exciting. So a lot of you are asking, is there still room to buy into NIO? My answer is yes. There's still room to grow in NIO. It's not over yet. You have time. But what I suggest is that you carefully plan your entry and exit. This car company can get really huge over the next few years. So if you want, you can add slowly to the position. I am not a financial advisor or expert, but I am someone who's made great gains in the market. So let's take a look into some more stats on NIO. NIO is currently sitting at $27.16 at the time of this video. Their previous close was $27.87. So there was a little drop, and that could be due to the stimulus that was not finalized. There's a lot of talks going back and forth over if we'll get the stimulus check or not. And it looks like we may not be getting a stimulus check until after the election is over. So we'll see. Until then, our stocks will fluctuate quite a bit. That does not reflect on the value of the stock. That just reflects on the current conditions of the market. So don't be alarmed if you see your stocks fluctuate. Let's get back to NIO. The year range on NIO is $1.36. So at some time within the past year, NIO was at $1.36. They went as high as $29.40. At that time, some people decided to take profits and they did sell the stock. Now that is healthy for a stock for it to have a little bit of pullback. I'm waiting to see if NIO is going to pull back a little bit more. I'm expecting them to possibly have a little more of a pullback. But if you're bullish on NIO like I am, you know that the stock will retrace to the $29.40. And if you enter now at $27, you should be fine. You'll probably go up another $2 before the year is out. And with a price target of $40, you're most likely to go up to $40 within the near future. As of today, their volume is at 100.36 million. NIO's headquarters are based in China, and right now they have approximately 6,624 employees. Looking at their Q2 performance year to date, from Q2 2019 to Q2 2020, their revenue is $3.172 billion. Their net income was minus $1.21 billion, and that's up 63.55%. These are important numbers to look at when you invest into a stock. Don't just jump on the bandwagon because you see the stock taking off. Take the time to go over the financials of the company and know what you are really getting invested into. Let's look at operating income. Their operating income in Q2 2020 was negative $1.16 billion. That's up 64.04% year to date. Their net change in cash was $8.93 billion. That's up 442.84%. Cash on hand was $10.49 billion. That's up 346.14%. And the cost of revenue was $3.41 billion. And that's up 69.21%. And looking towards Q3, those numbers have not come out yet, but we can probably anticipate that those numbers will be up as well. So I believe that NIO is a definite go. When I was first aware of the stock, it was around approximately $7 when I purchased it. I was a little leery because it was a new stock and I'm a little skeptical of penny stocks. Even though they were just above a penny stock, I was not sure if I wanted to leave my money there. So I did sell NIO stock early, but I think now is a great time to re-enter NIO for me. Remember, I am not a financial advisor, but I have made great gains in the stock market. So I think now is a great time. We are definitely in the EV boom. And no matter if you spent $7 or $27, you're still ahead of the big curve that's coming. So there is a huge curve that's coming. All of these EV companies are really building up right now. So you're ahead of the curve. It doesn't matter if your stocks fluctuate up and down this year. You want to look at next year, the year after that, and then probably from the next 5 to 20 years, you can continue to make money off of these stocks as long as they're quality stocks. So there's no loss in investing a few dollars right now if it fluctuates up and down. Don't worry about it. We are just in the beginning of the EV sales. Let's look at some more reasons to why we would buy NIO stock. The Chinese government is backing NIO, and they believe that 25% of all car sales will be electric vehicles by 2025. They are also giving subsidies, tax credits, investment incentives, and quotas for people that are going to buy into electric vehicles. And that is super good for us as investors. We know that when the government backs a company, that is huge. So if we get in now, this is the perfect time to build our portfolios and grow with a company. We may have missed the low sell boat on Tesla, but right now we can get a low price on NIO and kind of ride the wave up. Two more factors about NIO that aren't really talked about a lot is that the Chinese government has added battery charging infrastructure to their country. They're also making it better for consumers by subsidizing their purchases. And it is very hard to get your license for a gas-powered vehicle right now. So they're not making it easy for people to even buy gasoline cars anymore. There are many startups in China right now with electric vehicle companies, but NIO is growing the best so far out of all the other small companies besides Tesla. If you would like the chance to get a free stock or 2 free stocks, sign up with my Robinhood link below for the chance to get 1 free stock or the Webull link to get 2 free stocks.
And if you haven't already, please hit the like button, share, subscribe. This channel has been created to help new investors learn how to research, learn the stock market, and stay on top of the latest news. Thanks for watching.